farm chores, riding a chicken. Chickens. Be scared of me.
They are.
I'm the biggest, baddest rooster around. This is as high as I can get my leg.
Try it though.
Oh God.
All right.
Hold this in case I fall. I don't want to break it. Hold on. Maybe if I can get one, I can do it. Yes. All right, ready? Can't hardly see.
I love how they like ride the rails on that one.
Make it up. There's one. Don't push it on the fence. Don't stink. I'll just eat off the ground. Alright, close enough. Now fill up the water hole.